Did you know that if you are a Panamanian resident and you have assets in Panama, when you die, those assets in Panama go through probate in Panama? What does that mean? Probate can take anywhere between 6 to 18 months, and you must retain an attorney for those things to go through probate court here in Panama. What does that mean in reality? If you have a bank account here, all right, those assets are frozen. The bank is going to freeze your account once they are notified of your death. Vehicles, real estate, personal property doesn't automatically go to your beneficiaries or your heirs. It must be probated. The best thing you could do is have a Panamanian will. It will still go through probate, but it is organized probate at that point. It's going to be a much quicker process. But again, you need to plan on these things. So a husband and wife in Panama, for example, and let's say the husband has the bank account and all the money is in that bank account. When he dies, it's still going through probate. It's going to be frozen. Your surviving spouse is not going to have access to it, all right? Not legally, right? These are things that no one's considering, and it is a huge topic. That's why I stress estate planning in Panama is as important as estate planning in the States. If you want to talk about a will, I'll be happy to talk to you about it, all right? If you have questions about tax residency versus legal residency, all right? Tax residency makes a big difference even in the U.S. when you're a tax resident of Panama, all right? Because probate in the U.S. can attach to Panamanian assets. They can't seize them, but they can levy or put liens on property in the States based on the value of the property here. I'm telling you, there's a whole lot of moving parts to moving outside the United States that no one, immigration attorneys definitely ain't talking about it. Relocation tours aren't talking about it. Ain't nobody talking about it. But it's a reality. But tax residency is 183 days in country per calendar year, not continuous. 3 months at the beginning of the year, 3 months at the end. You just became a tax resident of Panama, which could affect your brokerage accounts, could affect a number of things. Don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but you need to be educated about it.